Hello friends, today we will be learning to make this beautiful nature art piece. So let's start. First we will paint the sky, and for that we will be using blue and violet color. We will mix it with white color and paint the sky. We will also make a line to define like where my sky will end. All you have to do is now just mix your colors, first the violet color and then light blue and dark blue, and then you have to move your brush from upper to lower. Now my sky background is ready. Next we will be making the clouds. To make the clouds, first you have to make the shape of the cloud. Remember, your paint will be a little wet, so just first make the outline of the cloud and then make the filling inside the cloud. Once the clouds are done for once, now take a round brush, and what you have to do is fill the clouds again with your round brush. Use thick color somewhere and somewhere let it be light color. Now when the clouds are ready, next we will be making the mountains of our painting. So first draw the shape of the mountain that you want in your painting with a pencil, and then first make the outline of the mountains. Once you are done with the mountain outline, fill it with the dark blue color. It should be navy blue color. You can also use black. I have used blue color. See, because it's cloud somewhere and somewhere it is white color, there is a shading of white color coming in my mountain, giving the feel of ice. Next, take brown color and just give the shading somewhere on the mountains, so that somewhere it looks dark in the color and somewhere it is light. To make realistic mountains, you have to create different shades. Next, I am using a palette knife and I am using white color and scratching the white color, giving the feel that this mountain is filled with snow. If you don't have palette knife, you can do it simply by a brush, or you can take a spoon and use the back part of the spoon and scratch it. Do it into the different directions by looking into the video. Now I will be making the trees that are showing as the bushes in our painting. So we will make two types of tree. One will be like Christmas tree and then there will be some bushes. So you have to move your brush in such manner, somewhere it is just coming on the lower part of it and somewhere it is going up and looking like a tall tree. Use the dark green color or sap green color that you have to make those bushes and the tree. Now my tree background is complete. Take a little bit of orange color and dark yellow color that you have and paint the bushes into orange combination and yellow color so that it gives a little bit of autumn colorful trees feel. I'm doing alternate. You can do all in dark yellow, all in orange. That is totally up to you. The upper half of this painting is already looking so beautiful. Now take the colors as defined yellow and green and mix them to make the lower part of your painting. That will be the green fields that we are going to make. Once you have mixed it, take a dry brush, no water, no color, and just dab it to give the real feel of these green fields that we are going to create. Just keep dabbing everywhere throughout. You can see how this is giving a patchy look and which also feels like the real grass fields now. Now I'm taking my palette knife again and making some slant lines in my painting with my palette knife, and then I will be scratching these lines towards vertically. You can do it any place you want, anywhere you want. I have done towards the starting of the green fields and in the middle of it, and I have also taken a little bit of red to give the feel of pink colors here and there. Now last thing that we are going to do is make flowers, some yellow flowers, some white flowers, and giving a dot of red in the middle of them, or orange. I have given orange dot. You can make these flowers anywhere you want, any number you want, and that's how your painting is going to look like. Once those flowers will be completed, next what we will be doing. Let's see. Let's complete it first. Next we will be drawing the branches. So just draw some lines to match it to the ground. And you do not need to do it like only from the flower. You can just randomly draw those lines from here and there to give the grass a feel of reality. And our painting is ready. Do subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Bye bye.